Hey guys, we're going to do Unit 9, Day 3 today, and this is our warm-up, and it says when g of x, which equals 2 over x plus 2, and h of x equals log of x plus 1 plus 3 are graphed on the same set of axes, which coordinates best approximate their point of intersection. And so we're going to use our calculator because this question says nothing about finding the point of intersection algebraically, and it's multiple choice, so we're going to go ahead and use our calculator. So we're going to go to y equals. Okay? If you got anything in there, clear it out. All right, and we're going to go ahead and put the first equation in for y1, and we have to remember that when we type in fractions, that the numerator and the denominator, if there are more than one term in them, that they have to be grouped with parentheses when we type them in, okay? So we'll remember to add the parentheses in there, and we'll put this one in y2, okay? So in y1, we're going to type in 2 divided by, in parentheses, x plus 2, close it up, and we're going to move down into y2, and we're going to type in log, in parentheses, x plus 1, close it, and plus 3. And we're going to hit graph. Remember, if your axes are a little offset and you want the axes to go back to normal, we're going to hit zoom 6 to center our axes again. And I'm going to sketch you guys what I see. Okay, my first equation looks something like this. And the reason why it looks like that is because there's a value of x that you can't graph at, which is -2, because it would make an x value of -2 would make us divide by 0 in this first equation, and that's undefined. And so that's why our graph does a little jumping at -2. Okay, and our second equation looks something like this. Okay, and there's a point of intersection right here. So we're going to hit second, trace, to get our calculate menu. We're going to go down to number 5, which is intersect, and we're going to hit enter. That gives us a little cursor where we can move it to the intersection point that we see on the graph, and we're going to hit enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And right at the bottom is our intersection point, and it is at -0.9269 ... comma 1.8637 ... Okay. And looking at our choices, they're all rounded to the nearest tenth. So if we take a look at the nearest tenth, that's going to stay a -0.9, comma, and over here, nearest tenth, that 6 is going to round the 8 up to a 1.9. And now that we have that, that is choice 2, and this one is finished. Okay, and I will see you guys on day 3 notes.